So we're putting up our art wallpaper today of our gorgeous Dionysian feast.
How are you looking for those?
And we've had these trimmed so it just butts edge to edge. Makes it a little bit easier for my installers. This one is about the Roman gods, and as you can see, we've got our Hames Artisan textured feature walls either side in our rustic gold and our silver light that then pick up on the colours. And we're yet to have a gorgeous splashback that we're putting in over here, also available through TheMuralShop.online. So the whole thing will have like a modern antiquities, or what I'm calling modern exotic style. But look at that colour, hey? Looks like it's metallic even though it's not. This is actually a artwork that I painted several years ago that we were decorating here in Brisbane. And wowza, hey? I am stoked because everyone's here way. We've got Rosie up a ladder. She's painting stripes in our rustic gold and silver that Camilla here is going to go in front of. And then we've got mosaic. Meanwhile, we've got Russell and Jordan putting in the splashback. And look, there's the splashback. How gorgeous is that looking? And then out here, so if you can see the gods, our mirror, our Hames Artisan finishes in the gold, and then the splashback. Oh, look at that! So beautiful. Wow, that looks better already. Look at that, Rosie. And look at it with the rustic gold. Nice.
Oh, hold it. Hold it hard. Hold it.
So what we did on this job is that it was 6.5 centimeters too wide on this side overall, and of course we had this cabinetry here. So what Adam and Jordan have done is pull out this little bit of cabinetry, slice out of it in the corner there, and then fitted the splashback in and put the cabinetry back into place, and voila! It's now neatly recessed behind the cabinetry, which in fact is the best way to install a splashback. If you're building from scratch and you're putting in a splashback, putting it in behind your cabinetry and then siliconing it in gives you a really nice, stress-free splashback installation. Hey, so here I am with Kathleen. She's having the time of her life because we've just been doing a wow day with her. Having spent about a week doing artisan finishes throughout, installing, splashbacks and all that. And what I want to show you is our new splashback. Now, this artwork is called, what was it? Water Sand?
Water Sand.
Available at the Mural Shop. And we either print on film or we print on glass. And you can see how it's picking up on her bench top and on her timbers and on existing things that Kathleen's got, and also the laminates. Everything's nice and vertical and very kind of spotty, but also squares and rectangles. And then today we've just come through and rearranged everything because I am like a little hurricane in a house. Raid all the drawers and the cupboards and like a little whirlwind. Where clients go, what the heck? But look at this. So the idea is that it's all a modern exotic vibe, and it's got that kind of Marrakesh market feel, but it's still really functional. All the things that Kathleen needs, because she loves to cook, are all here. It's just how they're arranged, right?